One area that frequently gets bound up, especially if you know that your range of motion through your shoulders is a little restricted, then you'll find lots of tightness probably through here. It could be in the lats, it could be in the where the lats attach into the triceps, could be in the triceps, could be in some of the rotator cuff muscles, in the armpit, could be in the serratus, could be in subscap, lots of things in the armpit that could be tight. So we're going to hit as many of them all at once as we possibly can, and the way we're going to do that is with our friend the spiky roller. We're going to take these little spiky bits and sink them in to the tissue and then peel it off the bone. So the way we do that is with block, foam roller. This one I like a steeper setup, so close enough to 45 degrees, something like that. And give you some space. Essentially, you're gonna get your armpit and sink in, find some tender spots, not nervy spots. So there are some nerves through here that can be aggravated from doing this work. So just use your noggin on this one to figure that out. I stay supported on this arm so that I'm not putting too much pressure in, because again, too much pressure is going to send us backwards. Sinking in and breathing is going to make a massive difference for this one, like really over exaggerated breathing, because a lot of these muscles will attach onto the ribs, and when the ribs move, then they will help the peeling off process, the shearing process. So sinking in with as much pressure as you feel is right, that hedonic point, the point where between pleasure and pain, well, before pain, you don't want to be in pain at all. Just finding that tender spot, sinking in, breathing, and letting it's like you're letting your armpits slide down the foam roller. To get the more of the tricep, then just move up onto the arm a little bit. Same sort of setup, same sort of principle. Oops. Tricep goes on, sliding down. If you want to get more serratus, then you go more onto the ribs, and same thing. Sinking in, sliding down the roller.